Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome back to our classroom. Student, now we will study. Today we going to study 2.4. Practice set 2.4. Okay. In that very easy question is there. We have to solve by formula method. I am repeating again. Formula method. Okay. Very first question what they are given that we have to find the value of ABC by comparing with the standard form. You know ना quadratic का standard form क्या होता है? Right now, come on. Now we will see the first question of first one. What is that? X square minus 7x plus 5. See student, first we have to see the question should be in a standard form. If it is not the standard form, then we have to arrange it, right? First so it is there, so we don't want to arrange. Now what we are going to write here? Solution. Okay. Yeah, simply we have to write. It is 1 mark question. It will ask by 1 marks by the form of activity also or find a value of for 1 marks. It is asked in the question in the exam. Comparing with. Come on student, what is the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So what we are going to write here? Here the value of a we got here. What is the value of a? See what is the equation I have here? X square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Right now student? Okay. Now it is already in the standard form. So come on, replace. We will going to find the value of a, b, c. Here we will got the value of a as a 1. Next we got the value of b will be minus 7 and the value of c will be 5. Isn't it? Yes. Why I taken minus 7? Yes, because instead of means the number having the minus sign, we should take the minus sign also, but we never represent the plus sign. The next question also we solve like same thing. Here I should write the standard form. I am writing here for you. Okay. Come on, the next question. Again solution. What is the question? 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. This question is not in the standard form. First of all, we have to arrange it. हमको क्या करना है इसको अरेंज करना है. So कैसा करेंगे हम? ax square means 2m square. See whatever we have in the right hand side, you should take in the left hand side. The sign should be changed. So plus 5m became minus 5, minus 5 became plus 5 equals to 0. Now it is the standard form. Now we are going to do comparing with whom we are comparing? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Come on. Here the value of a. So the value of a will be 1 or 2. Yes, that is 2. And value of b will be minus 5. And value of c will be 5. Understood? For the next question. What is that? Y square is equal to 7y. Right? Come on. First of all, it is not again. It is not in the standard form. We have to arrange it. So what we want to write here? Y square minus 7y, because 7y is equals to right hand side. Then we take to the left hand side. Sign should be changed. Here when the c is not available, c terms is not available. So what we are going to do? We are going to take the plus sign and 0 is equals to 0. Understood? Here we are going to write here comparing with. What is the standard form of the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. Come on, right here the value of a. What is the value of a? We got here 1. The value of b minus 7. And my value of c will be 0. Understood? Before also we have done this, but for the it is a separate question that will be asked for 1 marks. Have a look fast. Okay, hope you understood the sum, right? Now we will same method, same thing. First, the next question is by using formula method we had to solve. Okay, for that only we had उसमें भी आपको यही steps फॉलो करने हैं, इसीलिए पहले ये आपको समझाया गया है. नाउ अगेन द सेकंड क्वेश्चन में भी हमको यही स्टेप्स करने हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड है. Okay. Second question, the first one. What is the first question is given? X square plus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay student, here first of all same thing. See, the question should be in the standard form, and from that we have to find the value of a, b, c. Okay. After that we will going to solve by the formula. Come on. Solution. What is the question is given? X square plus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. It is already in the standard form, student. Right now? Come on. What we are going to write here? Comparing with whom we are comparing? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay. So what is the value of, here we are going to find the value of a as 1, right? Value of b as 6 and value of c will be 5. Understood? Now first of all we are going to find b square minus 4ac. It is a part of the formula. It is a part of the formula. Now we are going to find it first this. Okay. So b square. What is the value of b here? 6. So we write here 6 square minus 4 into a. The value of a will be 1 or c value will be 5. 4ac means 4 into a into c. Now we represent the value of a and we represent the value of b. What is the square of 6 will be 36 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. Right? What is the sign is there between minus? 36 minus 20. The answer will be 16. Understood? Now when we are going to use the formula, now we are coming with the main concept, that is by using formula. So the formula is x equals to, see what is the quotient variable is x. So we should write here x. So x equals to minus b. The formula is minus b plus minus of square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Understood? Come on. Now replace the value of x is equal to minus b. What is the minus b? Minus b have to write as it is. The value of b will be 6. Plus minus of square root of, now we had find the b square minus ac value. What is that? 16. Simply we have to represent here 16 upon 2 into value of a. Value of a is 1. Okay. So x is equal to minus 6 plus minus of, okay, what is the square of 16? The square root of 16 is 4 upon 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now what is given in the middle? Plus minus of. Means we have two signs. Right now student? So what we are going to do? Minus 6 plus 4 upon 2. I had bifurcate. I had taken one side plus sign, second side to be minus sign. Or I should write here, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. What I had done? Plus minus of 4. One time I taken 4 plus mein, or one time I taken 4 in a minus. Now therefore, come on, say plus minus minus. 6 minus 4 will be minus 2 upon 2, right? Or x is equal to minus minus plus, we got here 10 upon 2, and we get the bigger number sign. Cancel it. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 5s are. So therefore the x is equal to how many value I get here? X is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 5. Understood? But how we write the statement here? We have to write the statement -1 and -5 are the root of given quadratic equation. Understood, student? In this way we have to solve the entire question. Okay? And don't forget to write the statement, because most of the students I am watching, they bring the books for correction, they didn't write the statement. Directly you will not write the statement, your half marks will be deducted. Come on, do it. See the first. Okay. Hope you understood now, student. Now we should I further go for the next question. I will not rub all these things. I have the pattern of same thing. Just I am going to change the question. Question number 2. Okay, the same method we want here. Don't rub. Okay. The formula will be same. Okay. Your statement also will be going to same. So don't write. Don't. But you have to write everything, huh, student? Everything you should write. Come on. The next question I have here. Question number 2. X square minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, student? Here we have the next question. Now what we are going to do? Come on. First of all, we are going to check it whether the question is in a standard form or not. It is a standard form, right now? Now, come on. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The value of a will be here 1. Value of b will be -3. And value of c will be -2. First of all, we are going to find b square minus 4ac. Come on. So, b square means -3 square. Minus 4 into a value 1, b value is -2. What is the square of -3? 3 3s are 9. Minus minus plus. So we are going to write here 9 only. Right now? Minus minus became plus. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what we got answer here? 9 plus 8 will be. The answer is, come on student, the answer is 17. Now we are going to use the formula. What is the formula? B square plus minus of what? Minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The value of minus b. See, the formula having minus sign, right? The b value is -3. So bracket you should write the -3. Understood? Plus minus of the b square minus 4ac की value हमको क्या मिली just now? 17. So square root of 17 upon 2 into the value of a will be 1. X is equal to minus minus became plus. So it is 3. Plus minus of square root of 17 is we don't have. So write it. We have the root of 17. No, na? So 17 should be the root only. 2 1s are 2. Now again what we are going to do? We will bifurcate. We will separate plus sign and minus sign. So x is equal to 3 plus of 17 upon 2, or x is equal to 3. I had taken plus there, na? What should I write here? Minus. Okay? Right? Okay, student, now confirm. Did we combine the number and root number? We never combine root number and root number. Understood? So, here we got the value of x and here we got the value of x. We got the 2 value for x. Understood? So what we are going to write here? The statement. What the statement is? Therefore, 3 plus root 17 upon 2 and 3 minus root 17 upon 2 are the root of given quadratic equation. Understood? Come on, write down fast. let's start the next question. That is, should I go to question number 4 for you? Question number 4. Okay. Question number 4 I should do for you. What is that? Question number 4. 5m square. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 equals to 0. Come on student, first of all see the question should be in the standard form. Then we have to comparing with the standard form. What is that? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here the value of a will be 5, value of b will be minus 4, value of c will be 2. Now we will find the value of b square minus 4ac. What is b square? Minus 4 square. Minus 4 into a value is 5, b value, c value is minus 2. Come on, the square of minus 4. 4 4s are 16, minus minus plus. So we write here 16. Minus minus plus. 5 4s are 20. 22s are 40. Understood? Now add this number we got as 56. Right student? Here we got the number as in 56. Come on. Now we want to use the formula. Now student, what is the variable in the question is m. So we write here m is equal to minus b plus minus of square root of 4b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Come on. So m is equal to minus, formula ka minus as it is, b value is minus 4. Okay. Plus minus of square root of b square minus 4ac we got as 56 upon 2 into value of a is 5. Understood student? Come on. Now m is equal to minus minus plus, so we got here 4 plus minus of. Now student 56, what is the square of 56? We don't have square. Now we can see, can we by prime factor we can separate it. By prime factor we can do it now. We can make the part of this. So easily can we do the 14 4s are 56 upon 2 5s are 10. M is equal to 4 plus minus. Now easily we can take out the square of 4. That is square root of 4 is 2. So 2. Right now student, what is will remain in the bracket? Only 14 upon 10. Now first of all student, do what? Subtract this plus sign and minus sign. 4 plus 2 square root of 14 upon 10, or m is equal to 4 minus 2 root of 14 upon 10. Okay student? Now what we are going to do? Now we will take the common from this 2. So how are we going to write here? M is equal to, common of this 2 will be 2. अंदर क्या बचेगा? 2 plus, if we had taken 2 out, तो यहाँ पर कोई 2 नहीं है. It is only the root 14 upon 10. Or m is equal to same thing, 2 bracket 2 minus root of 14 upon 10. Can we cancel? 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. So therefore the value of m is equal to, what we got the value of m? 2 bracket 14 plus 14 root 14 upon 5, or m is equal to 2 minus 14 upon 5. Here we got the 2 value of m. So therefore 2 plus 4 root 14 upon 5, or 2 minus root 14 upon 5 are the root of given quadratic equation. Okay student? The remaining 3 sum will be your assignment. First look the sum. Okay student, complete the assignments, bring your book for correction, okay, and practice at home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.